Hello there, this is my channel Tibustu Zarihun. Motivate me, support me by subscribing my channel. I will start the actual lesson for grade 11 information technology text. Here is unit 1 information systems and its applications. Learning outcomes. At the end of this unit, students will be able to define data, information, knowledge, and wisdom flow chain. They should differentiate the concept of data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. The other point explains the concept of information systems. You have to identify the main component of an information system, state the function of each component of an information system, describe the different application area of information systems, recognize the value of information systems through its application to solve social problems, and as the last, you have to explain IT-based entrepreneurship. Here, this unit discusses concept of data, information, knowledge, and wisdom, as well as their relationship and differences. We'll see data, information, knowledge, and wisdom hierarchy, and we'll try to compare them. It also discusses the information system and its components, and the application of information system in areas such as e-banking, e-government, and e-learning. Here, 1.1 data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. 1.1.1 data. In our day-to-day activities, we use data. So in traditional way of working system, manually, when you take any notes, you are using your pen or pencil with paper and your brain. Numbers, letters, they are data. When you come to the digital system, they are stored electronically. Therefore, data is a raw factors that cannot give meaning on its own. Every numbers, every letters, they have no meaning by themselves. The words, they have no meaning by themselves. It is the representation of what we see and perceive using things like letters and numbers. Facts such as 100, 250, age, and Ethiopia are considered as data because 100, 250, age, and 250 are numbers. Here the age 3 letters with Ethiopia 8 letters are words. They have no meaning by themselves. Thus, they are considered as data. Each of them does not give meaning on its own. For example, 100 can be the weight of a person or the measurement of a distance. 100 can be, in case of distance, with meter, the value is meter. In case of weight, the value is kg, kilogram. But they have no meaning by itself. This is the data value. Likewise, the word Ethiopia can be a country name of a person's name. It does not tell us any meaning unless it is related to other data. Here, the name Ethiopia can be the country name or person's name, but does not tell any related things. It should be a statement to be meaningful. Data is recorded and stored using numbers. Data can be represented in numbers. Data can be represented in text. When you say in IT, text means letters, mostly the combination of, it can be also the combination of letters and numbers. It can be also represented in image. When you capture an image, it is the data. Some data can be represented by better by numbers than texts. Some data. They can be represented better by numbers than texts. For instance, age is a better represented by numbers than texts. When we put the value for age, we use number rather than text, rather than using letters. Likewise, words such as name are only represented by text. Name of a person can be put in letters or texts in IT text. With the development of satellite technology, the other data representation of data in the form of image has become very popular. 21st century, nowadays, thanks to the technology, we can represent also data in terms of image. Therefore, with the development of satellite technology, representative data in the form of image. How can the satellites capture image? Capture a data in the form of images. Those images can be the captured or the collected data can be by making further processing, we will get an information. But by itself, it is a data. Thus, one form of data representation is better than the other form of representation, depending on the type of data and context. Here, the different forms of data. Data can be a number, data can be letters, data can be in audio form, data can be in video form. Here, the image can be a data. Satellite captures an image and it is represented by image. Therefore, data is represented by image in satellite working systems. Here are the different forms of data. Next hierarchy, information. Where information is come from? It comes from data. Information is data processed in a meaningful way to the end users. It should be meaningful, it should be complete to the end users. The end users make decision based on the information. Where the information is get from the processed data. The well processed data you will get give us an information. Registering daily sales data may not give meaning by itself. Registering daily sales in the case of electronic system using database. It is the data. We record the data values. But when we aggregate daily sales data by weeks of the month, it becomes information. When we organize, when we perform or process it, or when we manipulate it, and we will form a record, every record is an information. By asking relevant questions about who, what, when, where, etc., we can derive valuable information from the data and make it more useful for users. How, for instance, who is the owner of this textbook? We can ask the question. Who is the owner of this computer? We can get the right answer. And information gets from the questions, like by asking questions, by WH question. By asking relevant questions about who, what, when, where, etc. We can derive valuable information. The valuable information should be reached at right time. Like saying that the barking of the dog after the Hainagan, information should be reached at the right time. The other information should be free from error. Information should be complete to the right user. Like data, information have its own representation. In the case of data, data is represented in letters, in numbers, in texts, it can be in pictures. When we come to here, it can be represented in the form of table. Every data values forms a record, then every record, combination of record is an information. The tabular data can be changed into charts or graphs. We can make a graph by using line graph, bar graph, or formulas. Here is a different forms of information representation in figure 1, 2. Charts, pie chart. Here is the bar chart. Here is the line chart. Here is the tabular data. They are information representation of information. For today, thanks a lot. In my next lesson, I will continue the next hierarchy, knowledge and wisdom. For today, thank you. Subscribe my channel and support and motivate me.